video is for the Grow What You Eat Collab 2026. My name is Mark Davis. This is the Davis Farmstead. We have a small farm here. We're in southeast Tennessee, about 30 miles north of Chattanooga, kind of in between Chattanooga and Knoxville, closer to Chattanooga. I'm in Zone 7B. Kind of in, we're in a unique area here in Tennessee, or East Tennessee, and we're kind of in a good microclimate. Even here, it's a little different than up over the ridge, a couple miles away, but that's all right. I usually go by 7B mostly. So this is my main vegetable garden. It's about a little over an acre, and I've got total probably about 3.5 acres in vegetable production, and I'll show you all of them. But this is where we grow stuff like green beans. I grow all kinds of different green beans, eggplants, cucumbers, slicer and picklers, squash, yellow squash, zucchini, all kinds of different things. Anything you think of, we grow here, and of course we can out of here and eat for ourselves, but we also have a farm stand that we sell out of an honor system. So a lot of this stuff will go there, and that's kind of why we're kind of morphed into this area down here. I enjoy growing. I enjoy talking to people and meeting people, and I especially enjoy talking about vegetables and growing vegetables and kind of different things. And we go to the farmer's market. We don't go every week. We have been going every week, but I think we're going to cut back to maybe every other week or something like that. But I enjoy going there and talking to the customers, and they get to touch me and poke me and see that we're real. So anyway, this is our main vegetables, about an acre. Then we have 2 high tunnels right here. This one right here we grow tomatoes in. The other one on the other side we grow all our peppers in. And I'm doing a big experiment this year as far as tomatoes. I'm going to a hybrid hydroponics kind of. I'm gonna grow in pots, but I'm not gonna use I'm gonna use more of a potting soil. But I don't know. I'm just gonna play or mess around in it, and it might be a disaster. I don't know. But I'm growing all my tomatoes in pots this year. Peppers will be back in the ground. Of course, I got these through the NRCS, and I hadn't grown the ground up. I'm clear of all that now. So, but I love the high tunnels. High tunnels are a game changer for us. Especially tomato wise, especially pepper wise, we get an enormous production. So, and I'm even going to try to increase that this year. So that's why we're going to the pots. Between the hive tunnels and these raised beds, we grow our carrots there. I cannot grow carrots in the ground here for whatever reason. I don't know if it's too much clay or whatever, but they grow fantastically over here. I've got some that I've tried to overwinter. I don't know if they're gonna make it or not. I haven't even looked at them yet. We got a real bitter cold, freezing rain snap, and it might have hurt them. I don't know. We'll find out. But everybody always says you can overwinter carrots in our area, but I don't know. It might have just been a bad year. But last year we started growing in these raised beds, and we had an enormous production of carrots there. So we're going to do that again this year. I'm on the other side of the high tunnels, and this is our other. We have maybe about probably 2.5 acres here, from here up to the property line, and we'll grow this 1 acre here. We'll grow in sweet corn this year. Back there is our potatoes. We grow potatoes just mainly for ourselves. We don't really sell those. Over another probably half acre over here, over the little ridge, is we'll grow pumpkins there, but we're going to grow our cold crops there until we get ready for pumpkins. So start my seeds in a couple of days, my cold crop seeds. So I didn't get that ready, and I got a cover crop over there now. I had collards growing down in there, and they got them. Then up there, I got some garlic. Let me see if I can turn this. Garlic's right over there, and it's growing good, and it's done real good. And on the other side of the garlic, we'll grow seedless watermelons. And over there we'll grow cantaloupe, and then we'll grow a little, popcorn grow up there, and some sorghum. I've got a little mill, we squeeze the sorghum and make syrup. And I practice plastic culture a little bit. Not in the sweet corn, but over in the other part. But over here I grew cantaloupes and watermelons here last year, so we rotate. I rotate around, and I grew sweet corn over there. So I just kind of rotate in one, and I grew my pumpkins up there. So one pumpkin, sweet corn, then we'll move the watermelons, cantaloupes up there, and then I'll rotate through again. Every year we rotate. But I use a biodegradable mulch, and I just disc it in, and it's made out of cornstarch, and it builds the soil. I had great luck with it. It's probably about 4 times more than regular plastic, but you don't have to pull it up and don't go in the landfill or none of that. We just disc it under, and that's it. So we're just a 2-person operation. Me and my wife, we do all this, and you know, we try to keep it where we can handle it. When the kids were coming up, we got 3 kids, but they're all grown. We would grow, this right here would probably all be in green beans, so we'd sell bushels and bushels of green beans. But if you got 5 people picking them, of course, you know, it's a little easier to make money that way. But just the 2 of us, and we're old, and I'm getting fat. And so anyway, I'm starting to get off my subject here. So this is for the Grow What You Eat collab, and I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully I get accepted and all that. And I love talking about vegetables, so this is for that. And I appreciate you watching, and hope to see you some more down here in the garden.